Traders, welcome in. In this video, I'm going to reveal the next Opendoor. I'm not one to talk about, things like, oh, this big stock 2.0 or, make large claims about stocks, but I am very confident about this trade and I wanted to show you guys. By the way, I think I deserve the right to actually call something Open 2.0, considering I alerted in the Discord and obviously bought myself at 250, 260-ish on Open, rode it higher, and then bought more at the $5 level. Today I sold everything, so I'm out of Open completely. If there are day trade opportunities or if there is another entry that sets up over the next few days, I would definitely buy it on Open. However, after a big day like today, I do want to just take some off, or I just wanted to close out the position and then also kind of just roll it into different stuff. A lot of things were running today. I'll talk about some of the other things I purchased today, but I do want to get into the stock that I believe is the next Open, and I'll explain why in detail. So GoPro, it's GPRO, that is the ticker symbol. Now, if you were in the Discord, you would have gotten in at 180, which is the alert price, this red line, or this was the entry price right here, with a stop loss of 174, I want to say. That was the stop, or it was 168. I'm not sure what stop loss I went with. The stop loss is important because it helps me determine the amount of shares I'm going to purchase. And if you don't know about that, I'll put a video soon that relates back to that, like in the calculator used to determine the amount of shares to have proper risk management. But anyway, this setup was phenomenal, and it was very, very similar to Open. Let me do a side-by-side here so we can compare Open and GoPro, because if you go here, right, you find out that they're very, very similar setups, and that's really what first drew me into GoPro as a trade. And I had been watching it for a while. I had an alert set, and the alert triggered. I wouldn't even have known about it if it wasn't for the TradingView alert I had set. So anyway, sorry, my hair's acting up, but anyway, GoPro makes a massive squeeze, pulls back, and then you have 1, 2, 3, same thing, Open, big squeeze, 1, 2, 3, and this is where it took off. GoPro starts taking off today. The volume was pretty good, about the same level of volume, relative volume on this day as well. So very, very similar charts, a lot of symmetry. I like it a lot. I mean, look what Open did. It went from 2 to 10. GoPro has similar potential. Now, they're both meme stock candidates. GoPro is a fading company, right? It's obviously past its prime, but it has a recognizable brand image. GME, of course, when we think about meme stocks, obviously GME is first to mind. And GME was a stock that had a lot of brand recognition. Everyone knew what GameStop was. Now, was it a failing company? Yes. Were they able to kind of turn it around from raising cash after they pumped significantly? Yes, as well. But GoPro, similar position, right? High short interest, recognizable brand. Everyone knows what GoPro is. And therefore, it's easy to get behind as a meme stock. The setup is really good. The market cap is a lot lower than Opendoor, which is going to make it easier for this thing to squeeze in theory, right? $317 million market cap. Open is now up to $8 billion. So when you have this hype from a meme stock, and we've seen this time and time again, traders are looking for the next one, right? And it typically profits from Open, will roll into whatever is the next Open. The same way GME, when GME collapsed, AMC was kind of next, or GME was kind of on the way out, AMC took over from there. So it's up in post-market, and it's moving quite a bit already, but it's not too late. It would be too late for a solid entry, for a risk-reward perspective on this initial break. Maybe you could target something on the hourly time frame if it can develop, which currently it's not. But anyway, I just kind of want to throw it out there. Obviously, if you want to stay updated on when we buy, the Discord is going to be in the link in bio, and for the price, it's literally unbeatable. There's no one doing it like us. So that's GoPro. I wanted to talk about a couple other stocks I bought today. Tesla I purchased today. Just a really decent breakout example right there. Let me mark out. So we had a breakout of this key 154 level, took off from there. Really nice. You know, the market was really hot today. All right, so OKLO broke out, took that. That was nice. AMPX is another one I took. I'm just quickly going through these. And then which other stock did I take? I think, or was that it? I don't know. I'm blanking right now. Let me see. Was there something else I took? Oh, no. Okay. It was GoPro, OKLO, Tesla, AMPX. So anyway, guys, GoPro, the point of this video is GoPro, in my opinion, has a really strong chance to be Opendoor 2.0. So we'll have to see how that pans out. But so far, so good. It has all the characteristics of a meme stock, and maybe some people already consider it to be a meme stock. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.